Hello, welcome. So this is a workshop day 4 which is organized by the BRAINOVISION. So in this fourth day of the workshop, we have just basically things about having the ECMAScripts and all those things which is displayed. So here the things over this I just showing by using the codes first of all. So first of all, they are just telling about the things like in this they have just having the thing over that like arithmetical.js form. So we have just opened this terminal, new terminal, and yes, we are just trying the output form. So we have just put it like node then arithmetic just here. So when I just click on this, additional a plus b is 80, a minus b is this, a multiply and a divide by this. So all these things which is based on the output which should be represent of the arithmetical operations. So let's move towards the what the things about the arrays. So arrays is like variable a when in which we have the stored the number of variables numbers in the particular sets of arrays. So like having 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70 and 80. So what's after that? I'm just using the for loop variable of I just put it for like indexing from 0 to like n minus I minus 1. So having a dot length and this. So let's move towards how we can say is that. So let's see is that whatever array of forms like this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So if I just click like this, like plus 1, okay. So if I just run again, so you can see that plus 1, so 11, 21, 31, 41, all these things which is represent. So let's go towards the other main normal kind of for loops of so what the other kind of for loops are from based on the condition. So if I is mod of 10 is equals to 0, then console.log should be okay, should be represented the output. So here we having node yeah, then for demo.js. So when I just click it, so it should be printed like mod of 10. So having 10 times or 15 times, it should be displayed the output of like whatever the console's output over this. So let's move towards what is having function demo. So what is a function? The function test and then console.log example for this function and test if the function of test runs. So this is like having without parameters and these are the with parameters. So in which the sum is a kind of variable which is stored the value of a and b. After that, the console.log we have just passed it the value is sum. So in this we have seen that we have passing the 10 and 29. So we have just having write it node functions demo.js. So here the examples for this and this is 39 it's presenting. So after that, what is having test? So test means in this based on having I just representing based on the class. So in which having the class of form representation, class implying constructor of form. So in this constructor, I just passing the value of ID, name and age, and with this dot test. So for displaying, I just put it on this console, each and everything. So when we creating the object of means outside the class, so where object equals to new this and passing the values and for displaying the projects of so here the node test.js of so here the employee ID is one, employee name is Suraj Pawar, and the employee age is 98 of so representing. So here what's the validations of validate means based on the condition statements. If where age equals to 45, then if age is greater than 80, the person is eligible for vote. If else, it should be not. So these are the kind of like condition statements in which we have using the if and else conditions. So here we are just having some. So here we have just moved over the persons. Give person is eligible for the vote. So what is the validates again? So where values of 11, if the value of percent of 2 is equals to zeros and having consult which is provided to us. So based on this, it's same like we are just using the mod operator. So when I'm just having run this, so geometry is having given values, it's odd. So yes, this is all about the things of the day 4, which is organized by the BRAINOVISION. So hope you like it about all the things which is I expense in the short time durations. Thank you so much.